Hey guys, so I have a question for you. Do you think Arthur's mom should have been alive? Do you think we really needed Atlanna to come back and be a part of Arthur's life? Listen, Arthur got it all by the end of this movie. He became a king. He got the girl of his dreams. His mom is alive. His father is alive. Now he lives in Atlantis and he lives on Earth. And his evil brother is locked up. He has everything, and he has a new costume, and he has a new trident. Seriously, this dude has everything. What do I have? Nothing. Anyway, sorry, I went on a different on a tangent there. But I just feel like his mom was not needed whatsoever. If he had found her skeleton on that hidden beach, that would have been enough for me. That would have been enough to put a fire on his butt and to go out there, retrieve the trident and go and take down his brother. Why did Atlanta have to be alive? And what's with the new armor she created? Who is she exactly fighting in this beautiful, gorgeous island? See, that's the thing. We don't know. There are dinosaurs there. There's beauty there. And she has bones on her clothes and on her back. And yet we didn't really get a backstory on more about her and how she's doing. So there are some I don't knows about what happened in Arthur or in Aquaman. Actually, I called him Arthur. Well, that's his name. Um, she was not necessary. I feel like it would have been better if she was dead. That would have really destroyed Arthur and caused him to really fight for what's right. My opinion. Anyways, if you disagree with me, comment in the section below. If you agree with me, comment in the section below. You know the rest. Ciao.